Never in my life have I ever thought that this product will ever be the best-selling product on Amazon. Life is weird, guys. Ever since quarantine started or the lockdown have started, things haven't been the same. People are losing their jobs, the economy is falling. Basically, things are going downhill really fast. Surprisingly, that's not the case with Amazon. If anything, they've actually gained more customers because people are not leaving their house, obviously. So what do? Of course, go to Amazon.com and buy things they don't need. I personally have been getting more products or items just to fill my time. So sales have been really good lately, but naturally, there are products that are doing better than others. In this video, I will be talking about 6 of the best-selling items in Amazon right now during quarantine. If you're an Amazon seller, then this video will be very useful for you. If you want to be an Amazon seller in the future, this video can also be very useful for you. Just to clarify one very important thing before we start, this list will be talking about the most selling items on Amazon during the lockdown, not the most profitable items. Just to make this more clear, I will give you an example. Let's say there are two sellers, seller A and seller B. Let's say that seller A sells mobile phones and seller B sells plastic spoons. So if seller A sold 5 mobile phones, he will be gaining $5,000. But if seller B sells 100 plastic spoons, he will be gaining less than $500. So this is an example of a case where an item is the most sold but not the most profitable. Now that I have made this clear, let's just not waste more time and jump right into it. Number 1, and it's not shocking at all, it is toilet papers. Amazon have stated more than once that they were out of toilet paper. People purchase toilet papers in huge amounts, and that's why it has been the most selling item since the lockdown have started. The second best selling item during quarantine is face masks. So face masks are being sold everywhere in huge amounts. In every shop, in every corner, you'll find someone selling them because we need them. And Amazon is no different. They have been selling different types of face masks. The usual looking ones we all know, and the weird looking ones as well. There are huge varieties of face masks and different types that you can jump on and sell. So if you are interested, now is probably the right time to do it. Number 3 is dishwashing materials. This can be anything from bleach, soap, dishwashing liquids in general. I also want to say that cleaning materials in general have been also getting great sales lately. Number 4 is antibacterial blinds or shades. They come in different sizes and shapes and colors, just like the ones you see in the pictures. In general, any antibacterial product has been getting a lot of sales lately. This is a great niche that you can get into. Number 5 is pillow covers. Another best-selling item lately. They also come in different shapes and sizes, different materials. So I'm not talking about a specific pillow cover type. Any and every type basically has been doing great lately. Number 6, and this is gonna be the last item I will mention for today, is hand sanitizers. I'm honestly surprised they haven't been the first best-selling item, considering the times we live right now and how much we actually need them. So yeah, if you're planning on selling in Amazon FBA or in any other website, I think hand sanitizers can be a great investment. In this video, I only mentioned 6 items, but there are so many items that have been doing great for the past 2 months, or as we call it, the lockdown phase. So if you want me to make another video about another best-selling items, please tell me in the comments below. I will be making them hopefully in the next couple of days. Also, if you know any other items that have been selling lately, please share them in the comments below so others can also benefit from them. Tell me if you agree with my list, and if you don't, tell me exactly the ones you don't agree with. And of course, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.